Welcome my dear little friends, my students. In this chapter we have learned density is mass per unit volume. So we have to deal with only three physical quantities: mass, volume and density. We will be given any two of them and we have to find out the third one using only that formula. Density is equal to mass by volume. That is the sole formula we will be using in this chapter. And being the students of class 8, we will have to do one more thing that we have learned: how to find out the volume by using measuring cylinder. So one question may be asked where measuring cylinder has been used and we have to find out the volume. So let us start. Here I will show you only 4 types. I will show you only 4 problems and how to attempt them, how to solve them. That's it. I believe that you will be able to solve any other problem from any other book, from anywhere related to density, by using the conception given in this video. I hope this video will help you a lot. With the help of this video, you will be able to solve the problems related to density. So let's start. In this sum, mass and volume both are given directly. So we will find out density by using that formula. Density is equal to mass by volume. Let's write. Given mass is equal to 232 gram, volume is 20 centimeter cube. Therefore, density of lead, mass by volume we know. Let's put the values. If you simplify, it will be 11.6 gram per cc. The next sum in which we will be given the density and the volume, we have to find out the mass. But we will use only that formula what we have learnt, the sole formula we have learnt, and we will be using the same formula everywhere. Density is equal to mass by volume. Let's write. Given density 2700 kg per meter cube and its volume is 250 centimeter cube, 250 cc. Therefore, we can convert this kg per meter cube to gram per cc, or that centimeter cube to meter cube. I will convert centimeter cube to meter cube. Volume is 250 cc. This can be written as 250 by 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube. This is the conversion from cubic centimeter to meter cube. So mass is equal to density into volume, 2700 into 250 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. .675 kg, or if you multiply it by 1000 you will get the gram. 675 gram, either 0.675 kg or 675 gram. any answer we can write. In this next sum, we have volume of alcohol is 2 liters, but we are not very much familiar with 2 liters. We have been talking about meter cube, centimeter cube, etc. So let us convert this to centimeter cube. Already the conversion is given. We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc. Therefore 2 liters is equal to 2 into 1000 cc. This is our volume. Mass is also given. Mass is equal to 1.6 kg. Convert it to its CGS system, 1.6 into 1000 gram. So we will get the answer in gram per cc. Therefore density is equal to mass 1.6 into 1000 divided by 2 into 1000, this much gram per cc, 0.8 gram per cc. Now we will convert this to kg per meter cube as the question demands. We know 1 gram per cc is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. Therefore 0.8 gram per cc, as we have obtained 0.8 into 1000 kg per meter cube. If you multiply, it will be 800 kg per meter cube. This is how we will attempt these sums and solve. In the previous 3 sums, we have been given the specific values either of density or of mass or of volume. We have calculated the third one, but here in this case we have to find out the volume by using measuring cylinder. We have learnt how to do when the level of water rises, level of one liquid into which the solid substance is lowered, its level rises. The level of that liquid rises as the solid substance is lowered into it, and the level of this the increment of this level is due to the volume of that substance. So volume of the substance is increase in height of liquid. Here the liquid is water. So let's start. Initial level is equal to 24 ml and final level is 42 ml. Therefore rise in level is 42 minus 24, 18 ml. This is the volume of that stone, volume of the stone. So we have got the volume. Its mass is given. Mass is equal to 72 gram. Therefore density is equal to mass by volume 4 gram per cc. Very easy, see, just apply your conception, you can do.